everybody, welcome back to Mattie's Kitchen. Today I'll be making you the most healthiest salad you have ever eaten, and it's very good for you. First I start with my romaine lettuce, my yellow and purple onions, my radish, my sugar snap peas, my sparkle tomatoes, and my cherry tomatoes, and my cucumbers. Here's my scallop, lay it over here. Here's my purple cabbage, my baby carrots, my yellow pepper, my orange pepper, my green pepper, my red pepper, and my kale. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna start with, and I'm gonna use this bowl. I'm gonna use this bowl here to put it in. And what I'm gonna do it by layers, because when you do, sometimes when you're eating a salad, you pick it up and you get everybody who go first, they get all the tomatoes and stuff off. So this way I'm gonna put it in layers so everybody will get the same amount. So I'm gonna start with my romaine lettuce. So I'm gonna cut it. And this will go to the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna put this at the bottom. Okay, I'll just start with the peppers. Okay, cut this off. What I do is I just take and cut it to make it look good. Just to make it look good skinny. It don't matter how you do it. There ain't no thing, just as long as it's not too big, you cut it. And I kind of cut it like this because when you look at the salad, this is gonna look kind of good. I angle it like this. Okay, that's enough there. And I start with the orange. Okay. And you can put it any kind of way, you're just gonna get a good look, because I don't care, a good looking salad, everybody's gonna go for it. Okay, that's enough, and you see that? That's enough of those. Now I go with the yellow pepper. It's so good for you. Peppers will clean you out like I don't know what. They are so good for you. They are very healthy. And romaine lettuce is really good too, because it don't have no fiber, but it does have the vitamin C that you need. And one thing about it only have 8 calories. The left ahead thing is about 8 calories. So I'm gonna take the red one. Can't see that green. It's in there. Okay. And this is close enough, that's better. Okay. So I got the green, the orange, the red and the yellow. So I'm gonna start with, what else I'm gonna start with? I guess I can start with, it don't matter. I do the onions. A few onions, I'll mix the onions, put them in here. Okay. And I guess I do my cherry tomato, but I'm gonna cut these in two because I don't like, eating a big tomato. Okay, so I ain't gonna be dull. Okay, so I'm gonna start with I guess I do the radish. Okay, I take and slice these really little. You don't want them too big. But see, when you're eating a salad and how it stays fresh is when you can crunch on something. Like the peppers, the relish, you crunch, and that's what makes a salad good. You put your favorite dressing on it, and the crunchier it is, the better it tastes. It don't seem like it, you would like it better. So I guess I start with cucumbers. I just take a little bit off. Slice it real thin. Don't have to be that. This is a salad. All you have to do is have some meat, because you don't need no starch with this. And you can keep it so long because everything is crunchy. Okay, that's enough of that. So put a little cabbage in there, just a little bit. I'm not looking good, y'all. I look kind of good. Okay, I don't want to miss nothing now. I'm gonna put these tomatoes in here. Well, I put those. I'm gonna put some of these sparkle tomatoes. How different they are. I'll keep these whole because they're kind of better. Okay. And I got to put some carrots in there. I don't want to forget now, y'all. Some carrots in here. I don't want the carrots too, so I just take and cut them like this. Just have a little. See how colorful that is? That's so pretty to me. I like colors. I do the kale. Now kale is the best green that you can eat. It's the best green that you can eat. Now when I do my kale, I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna do my kale last because I got to start back with the romaine lettuce. See, let's put a lid in there. Boy, this salad, nobody won't be mad about this salad. So I'm gonna cut some more. I'm gonna repeat the process. This salad right here probably can stay fresh for a whole week. You ain't got to worry about it. You can take it to work every day and it's still gonna be fresh. So I'm gonna start with my onions again. Some onions. I'm gonna do this all the way. And nobody will have a problem. I'm doing it like a lasagna. I'm going like a lasagna so you can get all the vegetables. Got so much to go in here. I forgot my little sugar snap beans, peas. I don't know them, but I don't want them to. And these peas taste so good. I'm telling you, they so good. They got a little sugar taste to them. Okay. You know what tomatoes does? I looked that up on the internet, and it says that tomato is good for cancer, help fight cancer and heart disease. So you should always try to eat you some tomatoes. I'm gonna put a little more. What I'm gonna do is put some more romaine lettuce because I don't want to get too hot. And then when I finish this, I want the red to show the most on the salad. That's what makes it look pretty. If you go, you can into the office somewhere and you want to show it like this, or you got company, you don't gotta hide look if you're gonna eat it yourself because it's definitely gonna taste the same. So I'll put this out right over here. I want you all to go on the Healthiest family channel, and I'm the cook, Mama Frog. And look at it and leave a comment and let me know that you like it and tell me what else to do because I can do almost anything. I can cook almost anything. So I'm gonna put the red on there, put a little orange. And this is gonna fill you up. You don't need starch. All you need is some Weight Watchers. All you need is some meat. Okay. Now I put yellow. You ain't got to repeat all of it because all of it's mixed up in the salad. But I'm just gonna put some on it. Color. Okay, do I have everything? Yep, I have a little gray on it. This is it, Mattie's Kitchen Salad. And everything in this salad is good for you. I mean, you eat it, get your favorite dressing. All you need is some meat, and you'll be good to go. And make sure you all tune in to the Healthiest family. And this is Mattie. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.